Hey dudes and dudettes, just laying here on the floor, just following up. This is the Gibson exhaust that I put on last year on the Silverado. Sounds great. Except past like month or so, I started to get a leak right here where the resonator goes into the pipe for the muffler here. And it's because of this clamp here, because it's beveled. This pipe is straight and this one isn't. So I'm starting to see a lot of crud right here. So basically I just got some quick muffler repair tape, which I know is probably not the greatest, but it is what it is. So we're letting this cure. I'm about to start this up and see if that pronounced exhaust fart went away. But just keep that in mind, that this might be something you might encounter when you're installing your exhaust system. Like I said, it ran great for a year. We got thousands upon thousands of miles on this truck, and just in the past 30 days is when it decided to start acting up. So we're going to see here in a second, I guess, what it sounds like. We'll just let it idle so that it cures, but hopefully this has done the job. So let me go ahead, fire her up, and we'll see if we hear any pronounced farts. Already much better. Much better. Before you can hear that. Now there's nothing. So I'm just going to let this run for a little bit and get nice and hot. And hopefully that does it, at least until I get inspected. Then when we upgrade to the stainless setup, I'll probably do something about that. But in the meantime, it sounds okay. So I'm going to finish mine to there. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Excelsior. So you can hear the engine. No exhaust. Oh yeah. Much better. Yep. So there you have it. It's not the greatest repair in the world, but it'll do for now. Like I said, if I were to get a stainless setup, then maybe I would, have it things break off. Maybe I would do a little more into it. But the problem is with that Gibson setup, the tail end that goes into the resonator, it's just a little short, or a little shorter than I would like, and so there's not really much to play with, because if it were to go further in, say by another 3-4 inches, then I would maybe contemplate cutting that flared bevel off and just using a strap, like a strap clamp, but I don't want to cut my exhaust. I don't have to. So if you have that issue, if your exhaust is farting out there, look for the soot marks, and wherever you see them, I guess try to clamp them. Like I said, I used that little patch kit. It was $5 versus $40 for another clamp. I think it's called a Norma clamp or something. So if you're having that issue, maybe this will work for you. Who knows? All right, guys. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next one.